the power of vision. A very warm good morning to all of you. Today, I stand before you to speak on a highly pivotal topic, the power of vision. Throughout history, every remarkable achievement began with a vision. Before an invention was created, before a company was built, and before a nation was transformed, someone had the ability to imagine a better future. Vision is the capacity to see possibilities where others see limitations. In today's rapidly evolving world, having a clear vision is not merely beneficial, it is indispensable. Indispensable. Without direction, talent can be wasted, opportunities can be overlooked, and potential can remain unrealized. A vision acts as a compass that guides individuals through uncertainty and challenges. One of the most important characteristics of visionary people is their perspicacious thinking. They possess the ability to identify opportunities that others fail to notice. They anticipate future trends, understand changing circumstances, and prepare themselves accordingly. Vision also serves as a powerful catalyst for motivation. When individuals have a clear understanding of what they want to achieve, they become more focused and determined. Obstacles no longer appear as barriers, but as opportunities for growth and learning. Moreover, a compelling vision creates synergy among people. Great leaders unite individuals around a common purpose. When people work together toward a shared objective, the collective efforts often produce extraordinary results. Another essential quality associated with vision is tenacity. Every meaningful goal requires persistence. The path toward success is rarely smooth. There are setbacks, failures, and moments of doubt. However, individuals with strong vision remain committed to their objectives despite difficulties. In addition, vision encourages a pragmatic approach to decision-making. While dreamers imagine possibilities, successful visionaries combine imagination with practical action. They understand that aspirations must be supported by discipline, planning, and execution. The modern world is characterized by constant change and increasing complexity. This multifaceted environment demands individuals who can think beyond immediate circumstances. Vision enables people to adapt, innovate, and remain competitive in a rapidly changing landscape. Furthermore, vision helps develop acumen as individuals pursue long-term goals. They gain experience, improve judgment, and strengthen the decision-making abilities. This growth contributes significantly to personal and professional success. History repeatedly demonstrates that visionary individuals transform societies. Their influence extends beyond personal achievements because they inspire others to pursue excellence. Their ideas become the foundation of progress and innovation. In conclusion, vision is one of the most powerful forces behind human achievement. It provides direction, inspires action, strengthens resilience, and creates opportunities for growth. Individuals who cultivate vision are better equipped to navigate challenges and achieve meaningful success. Before I conclude, I would like to express my heartfelt gratitude to the respected judges, honorable teachers, distinguished guests, and all my dear friends for your valuable time